Alright, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have something very special. So my BMX, right, here, is looking pretty worse for wear. It hasn't had, new chain and all that kind of stuff for a long time. So I have some new parts, and today I'm gonna fit them, and I'm gonna get this BMX, this BMX running very well. Because I also have another BMX right now. I just bought, just up there. It does have wheels behind there, but they're not very good. I'm gonna put the Colony Wasps on it. But also I'm gonna have this bike as well. But this is a new one, very exciting. It's a Specialized P20 Pro from 2013, so it's pretty old. But it actually is really good. Like, it's got removable brake mounts, it's chromoly and all that stuff. And I've got some very big plans for it. I'm gonna paint it, it's gonna be sick. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, because there will be a build video probably in a bit, because I need the weather to be better, because it's kind of still a bit wet, and like obviously painting, you don't want it to be wet. Yeah, so get that BMX all freshened up. I got some Maxxis grifters for it. I got some new bars, some Colony Guardian bars they're called. Got some Colony pedals. Got a red chain, which I don't know how it's gonna look, but I don't know, it was the same price as the other one, so I was like, why not? I'm just gonna get something crazy and get a red chain, so that's gonna be interesting. And then, most importantly, but also I'm dreading it probably the most, is new bottom bracket bearings, because I've been trying to smash out my bottom bracket for like ages, and it just takes so long. I need to get a heat gun so I can like heat it up and get the bearings out easier, but I won't film the whole thing obviously. I'm just going to cut to when the bottom bracket's out, and then we'll go from there and re-grease stuff, and let's go. Actually, scratch that. I'm going to Bunnings right now and I'm buying a heat gun, because I know that it's going to be hell trying to bash out these bearings without heat. The goods have been acquired. This is now an unboxing channel. This is the cheapest heat gun at Bunnings. I need a cutting device. Shoot. Got a nice little box, little package. Wow, very premium. Damn. This thing should come with accessories. What's that for? Oh, for like bending, for like making the heat go like down. So you can like manipulate the air. Pretty high tech. Another little thingamabob. Another air manipulation tool. This thing is actually kind of cool, because that is going to be helpful stripping the paint off this when it comes time. And the heat gun. Yay. That doesn't feel too bad, actually. Yeah, let's get these bearings out. Yay. Wow, heat gun definitely did the trick, because I was bashing on it for like ages before without a heat gun, and now it's got one side out in probably about, I don't know, 5 minutes. Not even. Damn, I'm glad I bought that heat gun. And then also that's going to help with getting some stickers off and stuff. It's just going to be helpful in everything. Yeah, let's get the second side out. I'm just going to give it a good clean and then start putting it together. Get these horrible bald tires off of it. We have the BMX stripped down just to the frame. Looks so cool. Let's get this thing built up. To those viewers who need to do everything properly, mallet, smashing time. Okay, Have no idea why. The second bearing went in way faster. It was super smooth. And I ended up using a block of wood. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. Like I've done that before and I've seen it in lots of videos. But anyway, they're in now and they are flush and everything. So that's the hard bit done. And I remember to have this cool, like weird little head mount thing. So yeah, that's actually perfect for the job. Right, let's get this head set in. Bearing. If it is, it's good revolution. Nice one. Oh shit. That whole greaser. Yes, I have. Alright. Next up, I'm going to do these tires. They're very bald and they need to go. I was gonna get folding ones, but then I saw these and I was like, I want them now. And then I bought some, and now I don't really regret it because they're gonna be lighter anyway by a tiny bit, and I don't really care. I'm not a weight weenie. Yeah. Oh, baby, do this thing. I know a quicker way to get this one on. Bit of magic. Whoa, crazy. There we go. And on she goes. The first look. Oh, damn, huh? The yellow graphics on the Maxxis tires make it stand out. Like, yeah, also the first upgrade to the P20 is going to be some shorter cranks, some 165mm cranks. Because I've got 165s on this. Yeah, once I got them, they're just amazing. I just can't go back. Putting the left pedal on the right side. Fun fact, the left pedal has lines on it, and the right pedal doesn't have lines on it. Pretty much every pedal, the left one will have lines on it, and the right one will have no lines on it. What the hell do we do next? On the seat. The old shitty seat that's falling apart. I forgot to buy a new one. Well, I didn't forget, I just didn't really realize that I actually really needed one. Aesthetic. Like, it's got all these fresh parts on, but I'm not a poser because I actually use my BMX. The Odyssey Bluebird. It's kind of ironic. The Odyssey Bluebird chain. It's kind of red. Like that, I reckon. Yeah. Chain cut. Red chain. I'm so glad I bought it. Look at that. Look at that shit, bro. Look at that shit. Click these into place and she's done, boys. Let's go! Damn, look at that. Wow. Oh my god, it looks sick. Ready? Hub check. And we're literally done. Like, took me about, I think it was from, once I had the bottom bracket in, 1 o'clock to 1:50. So it's like an hour. So especially with like no brakes and stuff, it's just like, put some wheels on, a chain, and literally that's it. Oh wait, actually, I've got to cut down the bars. This is the long bar. Oh, yes. That took forever. What? It is a nice cut though. But was it worth half an hour of my time? Dude, it's gonna be sick. Okay, now let's cut the other one. I'll spare you the half an hour that it could take, so. I'm also filming by myself, so it makes it really hard to do any cool riding clips, so I apologize in advance. Test spinning ability. Oh, it's just so smooth. You really manipulate it in the air with the new tires. Honestly, it's the lighter tires are actually a freaking game changer, dude. This and the new set of wheels, probably the biggest difference that I've ever had when buying new bike parts. These tires are a bit thinner, so my foot gets munched in between the fork and the tire. Yes. Yes. That hurt a bit. It's alright, but yeah, now a bit shaken. Ah, no, yeah. I am though. I literally just fell. That kind of hurt. But I got super off axis, and as soon as I left the lip, I was like, oh, I'm gonna try. Just want to do a bar spin because I haven't done one for a bit because I've been riding either the bars on this bike, the other ones that are wider, or I've been riding the P20 because I just bought it. So let's hope that it doesn't take too long and that we can do it to end off the video with a bang. Let's go. Let's just bust in my first go. I'll do a bit of warm-up stuff first, see if I can do it next time. Okay, easy. Straight up, first go, here we go. Look at your stem, keep your chest over, and just go fast. Pass it. Oh, what did I tell you? I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, guys.